All right, boys, let me show you how to make quick and easy money. Easy Go RXV 2013 to 2024, Club Car Tempo, Easy Go TXT 24 Up, 2017 Plus Elite. These right here. I'm up here at the shop today. Actually, this morning it's like 7:30, and we're gonna bump some carts up and get them running. So most of the dealers for like the club cars, I think it's like $100 just for a speed code 4, and then they usually have to charge the customer or something like that, so it's like 150. So if you get the dealer version of the Krakens, you can really make some money with this stuff. You can, sell them to your friends, and what I mean by that is you're not selling these, you're selling the programs to them, okay? And I'm gonna link all of these right here below. This is just 3 of many that they make, but I know we're gonna do some club cars today, and we might see about a TXT or an RXV as well. Now, I am driving my little $1,200 flip that I just purchased over the weekend. Needed some batteries. I threw a little lithium in here. And anyways, we're riding, but clean little cart, Lazy Life covers, front and rear, extended top, mirror, a flip windshield, some low pros, very clean little cart. But anyways, with that being said, let's go in here and let's get it. So Club Car Tempo is first. We found the first one here. This is a 6-seater. They've made just a 4-seater with the Cozip seats, 6-inch lift. It's got some good looking chromes with some all-terrains on it. I like these new baskets in the rear here. And this right here is by Stealing, and it fits directly into your spot here and down here. Now, we just built this right here cart last week, and we were going to design something to put right here, but over the weekend had a customer come in and already take it. So this right here is good to go. All right, it just plugs in directly underneath the dash. Reading success, no faults, so we don't have to hit the faults code. Then hit the fast acceleration is on, flash. We're gonna go, look at there, it's only at 12.4 miles per hour. So this cart's probably doing 15 or 16 actually with the 23s on it. But we're gonna bump this up to, I think it's 19 and a half or 20. 20 miles per hour, flash. So that means this right here cart will go actually probably 24, 25. Pedal up, it's on mild, that's okay. Braking is off, that's fine. So yeah, we're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug that. This is done. So that was easy, guys. That right there, I charge these guys $50 for every one I do. Now you can charge your buddies 100, but if I have multiple ones to choose from and I don't have to go anywhere, each one of these are $50 programs. So that's what I charge these guys. And that was our first one right there, just a basic club car. Like I said, it went from 14 to about 25, 26. So it's a good looking little cart and a good, easy upgrade. Number 2, digital camo President. Says it's ready. Let's check the faults. No faults. Fast acceleration is set to on now. Speed is 13.2 miles per hour right now, so it's probably going 15 or 16 with these tires. So we're gonna go ahead and bump this right here up 20, so we should be like 24, 25. Flash. Pedal up, we're gonna go to mild. Braking, we're gonna take off. Reverse 7.5, that's fine. We'll probably even take that down to about 5 since we have oversized tires. That's fine. Walk away is off, that's fine. That was $50 right there. Let's see about this little President right here. And I forgot the key in the other one. That's just great. Let's see. Curtis connected. 1515. Reading success. So we're good on the reading. Fast is off. We're going to turn fast on. Okay. Any faults? We have no faults. How fast does this one go here? Come on. I'm being impatient. You got to be patient with these things right here. All right, so this one's set at 15 miles per hour, but we're on like factory size tires, so it's probably going 15 or 16. So we're gonna set this right here up for 20 again. Flash. Forward speed success. Reverse, I'm gonna leave that there. Braking, XL braking's on. We're gonna leave that on. Pedal up is to coast. We're going to change that to mild, and we're going to flash. Simple. That was 50, so we've made 150 so far by being here at the shop this morning. And I haven't been here but maybe 20 minutes so far. Number 4. Let's see what we got here. Reading success. So everything's good on this. Let's see, fast acceleration is already on. That's good. It's at 14.8 miles per hour, like I said, but we're on some 12s, so we're just gonna leave that there. We're gonna bump this up to 20 and hit flash. Success. Pedal up, coast, that's fine. We're gonna take XL braking off. Okay, walk away is off. We're good to go. 50 bucks, simple, easy. I think that's all the Presidents we have in stock at the moment that's used. So let's see what else we got. All right, what we got? A little clean TXT, 48 volt port, 48 volt cart. There's our connector right there at the battery corner. Let me see what we got. Let's get started. All right, went ahead and got the plug connected here at the battery. Got a Kraken is on. This one's a little different than the other ones. It's got up and down, left and right, parameter. You got back button, false button, preset, and flash. So to access this right here, we're gonna hit this main button. This acceleration is mild. You can change it to the right, aggressive, fast, mild. We're just gonna set it to mild. So the brake selections is heavy, coast, or mild. I'm gonna put this to coast. Hill assist is off, that's fine. Forward speed is at 10. We're gonna jump this right here up to 19 and a half. Just right there, it won't go no further than 19 and a half. Flash. Forward speed success. Hit it again, mild, a selection, select up there, that's fine. Brake, rapid heel, or rapid speed, forward speed, and we're back at the thing. So we are done with this one. So what was that? Number 5, 250 bucks so far. All of these are 2020s. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna go ahead and bump those up as well. So that's gonna be by itself $250. So we're at what, $500 for the day? It's not a bad way to make a little income with the Krakens here. I would highly recommend these right here. I'll show you one of them, but they're all the same basically. The dealer versions, they cost a little more. It's like 600 bucks, but I charge regular customers like 100 bucks to bump up their carts. I charge this right here dealer, or the dealer that I work at part-time, I charge them $50 because I have this right here, and there's multiple carts here every time I come that needs to be done. So if you want to save some money on your Kraken, use coupon code FENtertainment on their website, and you can save like $25, I do believe. So check them out there. Easy way to make a little bit of income, your cart faster and your buddy's carts faster as well. Now on the RXV, the key needs to be in. I just went ahead and put it in a neutral position in order to get the unit to turn on. But see, this one right here has the Samsung battery, which is the Elite system. And anyways, let's see what we got here. We're gonna go to fast acceleration. Let's put it on. Speed 19.5, so we can do these 25.5. Now it's lifted on tires, so we're probably closer to 30, 31 with this one right here. We're gonna hit flash, rapid heal is on. That's fine. Position hold is off. That's fine. You can turn the buzzer on or off. And what that means is you can put the key in reverse here. Here, the buzzer. So the buzzer is on. If we want to turn the buzzer off, hit flash. And you can turn the buzzer off on these as well. Because if you disconnect the buzzer, the cart will not run. So that's a little extra tip there. A lot of guys take tape and put it over the buzzer so you don't hear it, but this right here, you can turn the buzzer off as well. But this is done. Now I got 4 more to do, and it's just as simple as that, guys. Like I said, 25.5 miles per hour on this. That's on regular like 18, so we're on 23s. We're probably in the 30s easily on this right here. So if you have an RXV, that's what you can expect. So I got more to do. But anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all watching this short video. I'm gonna get done with it. I'm gonna get finished. I'm gonna get paid. And I'm gonna get back to the house. I got a cart to build. We'll see y'all later. Bye.